Hello guys, I'm making this video to demonstrate how we can put a 12 volt wire from battery to directly to the interior via a small passage available near the dome area, which people generally don't know. But I will recommend all of you to purchase a Wi-Fi remote, which is very easily available on Amazon for 200 to 200 bucks, and which actually what happens is this: we just have to install a module near to the battery and we can operate via remote from inside the interior. Okay, so I have installed a Hala FF500 German. So for operating this, I have to put a switch inside the interior box. The switch is here. This is the switch. Actually, I have this is a place to actually put a switch here, and this is the manual switch, okay, for starting the lights. And there's also one more switch space available here. And so just let me show you from where this wire has been going on. So this is the roadmap of the wire. I have put one fuse, 15 ampere fuse, and this is been attached to the 12 volt battery, and the wire goes directly to the Hala beam, and the switch wiring is installed via this area. This is the space. Actually, here is a small passage. Basically, let me show you. This is a small passage where you can, there's a small rubber available here, and this rubber is actually, there's a small hole which you have to put and cover it by a silicone tube, so that water cannot penetrate, but still for a precaution you have to put some you can say a silicone. And from this area you can put any wire, small, you can say a small wire inside the interior cable. Thank you for watching the video.